Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be sorry for the audio. I don't have my mic with me, it ran out of charge. But on today's video, we're going to be doing spark plugs on a 2015 Honda Accord with a 4-cylinder engine in it. It's the non-turboed. It has over 106,000 miles, and the customer was complaining about it shaking and rattling. Check engine light came on. They took it to O'Reilly's. They said it was a cylinder 1 misfire, and that's what we're doing today, is taking a look to see if it's the coil or the spark plug or something else. But just follow along. All right, first thing you're gonna do is 10 millimeter to remove this cover right here. Right, so you have 10 millimeters, you have 5 of them that you just remove. Right, 10 millimeters, this box just comes out, move it out of the way. Then you have your coil packs. You got your cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, right, and they're being held with these 10 millimeter bolts right there that you just remove them. From there, these are just clips, right? You just press on and you can pull them out of the way. Yours might be a little bit harder to do. You might need 2 hands, but you just press and then pull away. You remove the bolt, and then you can slide your coil pack out of the way. And like I said, today we're going to be just checking to make sure if it's the coil or the spark plugs themselves. We recommended spark plugs just based on the age or the mileage, and they've never done them before. That's why we're recommending spark plugs to start. Anyways, it needs a tune-up. So then once you get your coil pack out of the way, you just ratchet it, and then you back out the spark plug itself, right? So these are probably the original ones that came with the vehicle from Honda. They are NGK, and the tips still have, looks like there's a pretty big gap on there, right? But the main concern that we have, or probably why possible misfire, is there's a lot of blow by on the spark plug. I would imagine all of them to be fairly the same, but this can cause your low compression in that cylinder, causing a misfire, or the tips not having the proper gap. So, but that is what you need to do. Fairly simple for this 4-cylinder Honda, and then I'll compare them to the new ones here in a second. All right, so this is what I meant in regards to the blow by, right? You can see compared to a new one, it's fairly significant in the blow by. So, but yeah, for that, you just follow the steps. Remove your little cover. 10 millimeters. Everything's 10, pretty much all you need. 10 millimeter for the coil plug, or the coil, and then you disconnect the plug, and then you get it's a 14 millimeter excuse me, 14 millimeter spark plug tool that you need to get the spark plugs out, and then just put them back in reverse order. I hope this video helps some of you guys. I know it's pretty quick and easy and simple. Doesn't really take that much for you to do it. People always comment or tell me, hey, why are you posting videos of the jobs that you're doing? You're making it look simple. But I mean, like I mentioned from my videos about starting the channel, I think information should be free. It should be available to everybody, and there's always going to be people who, one, don't want to worry about fixing their car and rather pay somebody because it's not worth their time. They're too, not that they're not capable of, but they'd rather be doing other things than fixing their own car. But like I mentioned, appreciate you guys. Until next time.